Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to change yarn color in between the rows in a very easy and quick way. Changing yarn color using this method will give a clean as well as a neat finishing to your project work. So let's get into the tutorial. Here I have worked this sample using double crochets for the first row. For the second row, I have worked few double crochets as you can see. Now I'll be changing the yarn color to work the rest of the double crochets. For that, just pull the yarn in this way and insert your hook onto the top loop as well as a loop below it like this. Now pull up the yarn with which you will be doing the rest of the stitches and pull it through the two loops in this way. Now continue working double crochets as you normally do. So here I have done 3 double crochets. Now going back to the stitch where you have changed the yarn color, just pull this yarn tail like this as well as the new yarn tail and tie knots between the two yarns. So in this way you have changed the yarn color easily. At the same time, when you change the yarn color in this way, it will give a neat finish to your project work. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.